So hi friends, welcome to DP Chennai. In this video we are going to see approximation questions, right, which is very much important for your IBPS RRBPO or IBPS PO, even SBI clerical also there is a possibility they may ask you approximation question. So first question, 25% of 295.7 into 32.02 divided by question mark is equal to 36.99 divided by 25% of 1 by 4. Right, so 25%, what is fraction value? 1 by 4. Right, this is 1 by 4 into 295.7 is nothing but 296. This is 32 is equal to, this is 37 divided by 25%. What is the fraction value? 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 is 16. 16 will go in the top. Right, so this is how much? 4 7s are 28, 4 4s are, so 37 2 times, 16 4 times. So what is the answer? Question mark is equal to 4, which is nothing but third option. Right, next one, cube root of 404.99 into 315.01 into 245.40 divided by square root of 33.1/3% of 26.99. Right, so first I am writing here. First we will see this cube root here. 404.99 is nothing but 405. 315.01 is nothing but 315. And 245.40 is nothing but 245. From every number I will take 5 common. So this is 5. This is how much? 81. This is 5, this is 563, and this is 5 into 49. 5 5 5 inside the cube root I will take, outside means it will be 5 into cube root of, this is 81 into 63 is nothing but how much? I am taking this number as 7 into 9, and 49 I am breaking it at 7 into 7. 81 is 9 into 9, so 1919, so 29 I will take common here, right? This is 9 9s are, so 9 9s are 81, 9 into 9 into 9, so 9 I will take outside, so 5 into 9 into 7 also I will take outside, divided by square root of 33.1/3% of 26.99. What is 33.1/3% fraction value? 1 by 3 into 26.99 is nothing but 27. This is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. So what is my answer? 5 3s are 15, 15 7s are 105, which is nothing but first option. So I hope you are clear with second question. Now we will see third one. 19.66% of 144.87 minus 266.47 divided by 118.84 into 17 by 18.84 is equal to question mark cube. So 19.66% is nothing but 20% of this is 145 minus this is 266 divided by 119, right, into 17 divided by this is 19 is equal to question mark cube. Right, 20% of 145, 10% is 14.5, 20% is 29 into 2 minus this is 17 7s are, this is 7 3s are 21, 7 8s are, so 19 2s are, so this is 2 is equal to question mark cube. So 27 is equal to question mark cube. So question mark is equal to 3. My answer is nothing but second option. So I hope you are clear with third question. Now we will see fourth one. Inside the square root, 82 divided by 8.76 divided by 9.25 into 3.76 plus 181 divided by 91.10 into 473.92 divided by 237.40 plus 7.91. Right, it's a very good question, approximation question only, remember. Right, so this is 82, so I am writing this number as 81 because this is approximation. into 1 by 9 into 1 by 9 into 4. This is plus, this is 182 by 91 into 474 divided by 237 plus 8 is equal to question mark whole power half. Right? This is gone. Square root of 4 is 2. This is plus, this is 2 times. This is also 2 times. Again this is 4 plus 8 is equal to question mark whole power half. 14. So question mark whole power half is equal to 14. So what is the value of question mark 14 square, which is 196. My answer is second option, which is 196. So I hope you are clear with the fourth question. Now we will see fifth one. 59.8% of 1539.5 plus 37.5% of 95.75 plus 0.99 is equal to question mark square. 59.8% is equal to 60%, right? So this is 60% of this is 1540 plus 37.5%. What is fraction value? 3 by 8 of 96 plus 1 is equal to question mark square, right? 60% of 1540 is nothing but how much? First percent and double zero will go out, right? 150 into 6 is 900, right? 4 into 6 is 24, so 924 plus this is 36 plus 1 is equal to question mark square. So 961 is equal to question mark square. What is the value of question mark? Square root of 961, which is 31. My answer is 31, which is first option. So I hope you are clear with previous question. Now we will see next one. 66.98 plus 9.084 whole power half plus question mark is equal to 52.114 plus 8.041 whole square. 66.98 is nothing but 67, right? Square root of 9 is 3 plus question mark is equal to 52 plus 8 square is 64, right? So this is how much? 70, right? This is how much? 3 plus 3 6. Okay, so this is 70 plus question mark is equal to 116. So what is the value of question mark? 116 minus 70, 46. My answer is nothing but third option. So I hope you clear the previous question. Now we'll see next one. 16.004 square root of question mark plus 68.899 square root of question mark minus 10.001 square root of question mark is equal to 75.01 divided by 33.99 into question mark. Right? Very important question. Look at the level of these questions, right? This is 16 square root of question mark. This is 69 square root of question mark minus 10 square root of question mark is equal to 75 divided by 34 into question mark. Now if I take question mark outside and cancel with this one, this question mark will be cancelled. You are having 16 plus 69 minus 10 is equal to 75 divided by 34. Here question mark of square root of question mark will be there, right? This is how much? 85 minus 10, 75 is equal to 75 divided by 34 into question mark 75 gone. So question in square root of question mark is equal to 34. What is the value of question mark? 34 square. What is 34 square? 1156, which is nothing but fourth option. So I hope you are clear with previous question. Now we'll see next one. Inside the bracket 25.35 whole power 9 whole power 1 by 6 plus 22.01% of 449 is equal to question mark plus 2.99 into 2.01 whole power 2.99. A very good question. What about this part? Right? 25.35 is nothing but 25 x power n whole power n is x power mn. So this is 9 by 6 plus this is 22% of this is 450. Right? 450 I am considering is equal to this is question mark plus this is how much? 3 into 2 6 power 3. 2.9 is 3 only, right? This is how much? 3 2s are 3 3s are 3 2s are 25 whole power 3 by 2. So 25 I am writing it as 5 cube. 25 is 5 square, right? 5 square whole power 3 by 2. So square will be cancelled. This is 125 plus. What is 22% of 450? What is 20% of 450? What is 10% of 450? 4.5. 20% is 9. So 2% is how much? 29. Right? This is 29. 22% of 450 is nothing but 20% plus 2% of 450. 20% of 450 is how much? 90. And 2% is how much? 9. So 99. And this type of things we have to solve orally. Is equal to question mark plus this is 216. This is how much? 125 plus 99 is how much? 224 is equal to question mark plus 216. What is the value of question mark? 8, which is nothing but second option. So I hope you are clear with previous question. I will see ninth one. 110.1 into 419.97 divided by 69.87 plus 499.99 minus 39.9 is equal to question mark percent of 5600. Right? Good questions are there. This is 110 into this is 420 divided by this is 70, right? Plus 500 minus 40 is equal to question mark percent of 5600 is nothing but how much? 56 into question mark, right? This is 76, so this is 660 plus 500 minus 40 is equal to 56 into question mark, right? 500, so this is 500 minus 40 is how much? 460. So 660 plus 460 is how much? 1120 is equal to 56 into question mark 56 2s are, so question mark is equal to 20, which is nothing but fourth option. So I hope you cleared with previous question. Now we will see next one. 54.37 into 39.87 divided by 13.35 is equal to question mark, right? So 54.37 is nothing but 54. Into this I am writing it as 39 only because I have 13 in the denominator. So what is my answer? 54 into 3, 162. So my answer is nothing but third option. So I hope you are clear with 10 approximation question which we have seen in this video. So please do subscribe TP Chennai YouTube channel for further updates and videos, and please do download from the Play Store, Google Play Store. We have two official apps. One is TP Chennai Official and second is TP Chennai. So if you download TP Chennai Official and install in your Android mobile, you can able to get all our videos in that app itself, which is TP Chennai Official. And we have another one app that is nothing but TP Chennai, where you can get online test series also, which is very much important for your examination. So please do download our two apps, which is TP Chennai Official as well as TP Chennai, to get your online test series as well as videos. So you can get many videos of reasoning as well as English, and we will update even arithmetic also in our TP Chennai Official app. So do install, do download it, do install it, and please do share all these informations among your friends and also in WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, right? So prepare well. Thanks a lot.